Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to determine the input impedance of the circuit. Here we have a circuit, transistor circuit. We are going to draw the equivalent model of this one first, then we are going to calculate the input resistance. Okay, this Q1 will be replaced with another resistance. Let's see how it's going to be. It's going to look like this. And here, okay, let's erase this one and erase this one and continue. Okay, here we will have a resistance, and this one is R1, that's already there, and Q1 will be replaced with R51, and this is the R input, that's the impedance that we are trying to calculate. Since these two are in parallel, the answer is straightforward. Rin is going to be equivalent to R1 parallel R51, and that's the final answer. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn electronics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.